Hi, I'm Dong Dantes and welcome to GMAnetwork.com. Malaki. Halimbawa, itong hashtag ng PH. Kung hindi rin naman nangyari yung ganito karaming mga issues about it, hindi nangyari yung Yolanda, siguro hindi rin ako magiging ganito ka-active in it. Pero since yung concern ko na now is for the security, the safety of course, my children, diba? So, I would definitely take these measures already. Mas marami kami galing yung time for bonding. Parang never namin nagawa ito before because syempre puro work, di ba? Puro ganon. Bihira naman kami nagsama ng ganon katagal. Ngayon that we have parang ilang months na kami lang, di ba? So, ang galing ng bonding experience and I think yun yung pinakamagandang preparation for parenthood. Unang-una, syempre, kailangan God-fearing, tapos respect for everyone. Sa akin, I will make her try everything that is there. Kung kinakailangan i-introduce siya sa pagdadrums, di ba? Gagawin yun para lang malaman kung gusto talaga niya. And then, kung hindi, try others. Pero yung support ko namin, of course, will be there 100% para sa development niya. Dati kasi sinasabi ko na kinakailangan munang matapos yung pag-aaral, di ba, bago gawin yan. Pero ngayon, may mga paraan na ngayon and how we can do things. Like ako, I was a working student while nasa TV, di ba, nasa movies. And right now, there are mga open universities, ganun. Although, mas i-encourage ko muna sa ngayon to finish yung studies. Basta mahalaga, gusto ko masaya sa ginagawa niya. I should be a cool dad. Family man, of course. Kasi syempre, parang babalik ka sa reason kung bakit mo ginagawa ang lahat ng ito and it always boils down to it always boils down to family. Then yun ang pinaka-important, di ba? That's why you're working, you're making life more meaningful because of that. Thank you for watching GMAnetwork.com. Once again, ako po si Dong Dantes. Thank you for watching, Kapuso. Click here for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe.